I'm TQ Patel. Me and my wife own this house, Heathcote. You didn't take that out, by the way. We've been looking at getting solar for the property for about 10 years now. But it's an old house, as you can see, and we've always needed a bespoke solution because we've got lots of different roofing spaces, and we've never really found the right partner. And even though we tried a couple and spoke to a couple, it never felt quite right. And we got recommended Infinity, and I spoke to, I think it was Ben to start with, and I explained the situation about the house and how we've been looking, and said we really need somebody to come around and talk us through it because it should be a unique fitting. And no problem at all. So one of the surveyors, Andy, came round. He spent a lot of time with us. He was on time, which always helps. It made us feel very comfortable, explained the situation, kind of like assess the roof and the area and all that sort of stuff. And so we felt very comfortable with him. You didn't ask for a deposit to start with. I know a lot of firms ask that, so that was great. That made us also feel a little bit comfortable. And then we got a report. So, getting a return on the investment was quite important to me. I mean, we're getting old now. We're probably going to be in the house another 10 years or so. So we needed to make sure that whatever we did in terms of investment was going to make our money back in that time. Otherwise, what's the point in doing it? And so we got one of the great things again is we got a good report. I think it was about 20 or 30 pages long, explaining kind of how the system works, what the returns were going to be, how the returns were going to be achieved, and so on. And again, that made me feel very, very comfortable. I mean, obviously the energy usage in a house like this is quite high, so we were optimistic that we'd get a decent payback, and we have. So that all went well. Felt very comfortable with Andy, and so we agreed to have the panels fitted. That all went really, really well. I mean, we're always a little bit worried when people come around to this house because they knock things off, and it's really costly to get things repaired. So we're really pleased when the scaffolders came. First of all, they came on time. So we've had scaffolders here before. They never come on time. They can come at any time, but they came on time. They were great. I'm not sure whether they're part of you guys or not, but they're not the typical sort of scaffolders. They actually took a day and a half putting all the scaffolding up. It took them that long in the rain, and they were great. Really, really comfortable with them. And then obviously the roofers and the solar panel fitter guys and the electricians came around. And again, they were all on time, said what they were going to do, no trouble at all, didn't break any tiles, everything worked perfectly. And so it all went really, really smoothly. So we were very, very happy with that. And since then, we managed to switch onto so we were always with Octopus Energy. We switched from our standard tariff, whichever tariff we were on, to what's called an intelligent flux tariff, which means that there's a really super cheap rate early in the morning and then an expensive rate in the evening. And we were able to use the battery to be filled at the cheap rate, to be continued to top up during the day with the solar, and then let out at the expensive rate. Now, the good thing about that is that's on top of the returns that were already in the analysis that we had. So we think we're going to make more money than we were before. And then on top of that, we're going to be able to export as well, which wasn't in the initial analysis. So we expect to get a better return than we originally thought. And so far it's going fine. Octopus were brilliant as well. They switched over really, really quickly. Infinity got the paperwork to us within a couple of days of the work being completed, and we passed that on to Octopus, and they were able to put us on the tariff. We're now just waiting for the export tariff, which takes a few weeks to come through. But so far it's going great, and now I love the app. My wife loves the app. I keep showing it to people, and you can see on the app when we put a kettle on. And so that gets us quite excited, the energy usage. But we can see the energy use during the day and when the battery's topping up and when it's releasing. And so it's great. So far it's all gone really, really well. We're waiting for the summer, when we hope that in the summer we will get a lot of power from the panels. and really do well. But even in the winter, it's doing, in the last week or so that we've had it, it's done pretty well.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, it's important to sort of mention, obviously, solar panels in the winter, if you get a nice cold sunny day, they actually generate quite a lot. They become more efficient every degree they are below 25 degrees. They become less resistive. They generate, quite a lot of energy. Yeah, another good point there is the scaffolders. They don't get enough credit, really. I think an important part of any sort of solar company is we have to use scaffolders. Nobody's going to have scaffolding in-house. And it is really important for us to have scaffolders that have the same sort of ethos as us, where they come round, they don't trample on your plants, break
really
your
great.
brickwork, tiles. So we do work with a small selection of scaffolders that are, decent companies like ourselves. So it's good that we mentioned that.
I was also going to say, that's a really good point. You've seen where the batteries have gone.
Yeah.
So the batteries were behind plants, planting and what have you. We moved all the plants and what have you, but it all went back perfectly, and it all looks great now.
It's all tucked out the way, nice and neat.
And when it grows in the summer, that'll all be hidden. It actually looks pretty smart anyway.
Yeah.
But it'll all be hidden and it'll all be great.
I think another good thing, obviously, in properties like this, a few hundred years old, it's nice to make sure they sort of maintain that kind of look. It doesn't look, horrible. Everything's symmetrical. Where the panels are, they're obviously black, so they're a bit more discreet. The ones with the flat roof you can't see anyway, obviously way too high. So I think overall, it doesn't really affect the look of the building, does it? Even from the back garden, it looks sort of blends in quite nicely, which is good.
Yeah, no, that's really quite important to us actually, because one of my daughters is already married, but my middle daughter, she wants to have her reception. By the way, she's only just got a boyfriend, so there's a long way off, if it happens at all. But she wants to have a reception here, in the garden with a house and what have you. So that's something that we'll hopefully be able to do.
Yeah.
So,
well, like we said, the system's only been in a few months, so you're going to obviously wait.
A few weeks.
Yeah, a few weeks. So you're going to see, obviously, once summer comes around, how much it really does generate, and it will hopefully do more than what we're expecting it to do with the tariff and everything else. But yeah, we're really glad you're happy with it. It does mean a lot to us and the rest of the team that see it. We do try our hardest to make sure every installation goes well and customers are ultimately pleased, which is why you obviously got referred by another customer, and then hopefully you refer us to another person. And a lot of our work comes from referrals by doing good jobs kind of time after time. So yeah, we appreciate that sort of feedback.
No, thank you. Every time I've contacted the office, whether it's Isabel, who I've spoken to a lot, or I think it was Catherine, who we talked about the extra battery and so on. They've always been really super responsive, and it's been great. So we've been very, very happy.
Yeah, that's another thing to consider is obviously aftercare. It's unlikely anything does go wrong, but if it does, you ring the office, you're dealt with straight away. You're not pushed to the side because you've been installed. So we're continuing to sort of look after you for as many years as you need us to, really.
Great.
So yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Yeah, for us, it was really important to have somebody who we felt comfortable with in terms of service. I know we got a great deal and a great price as well, but the service was more important to us, and we've definitely had that. I think what I'd say to somebody is what work out what you're after. If you're after service, then I would absolutely recommend these guys. I'm sure they could do a more standard installation as well, but for us, that was particularly important, and they've absolutely delivered on that. So we're very happy. Is that okay?
Really nice, that was great.
Did you get the dog in?
Yeah, hopefully, yeah. He's sound asleep on the fact.
Have you been in?